Top 5 foods that reverse kidney strain. Your kidneys work hard every day to filter waste, balance fluids, and protect your health. But over time, stress, poor diet, and aging can weaken them. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful foods that help reduce kidney strain and support healing naturally. Simple choices can make a big difference. Blueberries, powerful kidney protector. Blueberries are one of the most powerful kidney-friendly foods you can add to your diet. They're packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which help protect kidney cells from inflammation and oxidative stress. For people dealing with kidney strain, inflammation is one of the biggest contributors to damage over time. Blueberries help calm that inflammation naturally. Unlike many fruits that contain high potassium levels, blueberries are a safer choice for individuals with reduced kidney function. Their low potassium content makes them ideal for those watching electrolyte levels or following a kidney-friendly eating plan. Blueberries also support healthy blood pressure, and high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney problems. Their fiber, vitamins, and plant compounds help improve blood vessel function and circulation, supporting kidneys and overall cardiovascular health. Another benefit is supporting blood sugar balance. High blood sugar puts stress on kidneys, especially in individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. Blueberries have a low glycemic impact, meaning they don't spike blood sugar quickly. Instead, they help stabilize glucose thanks to fiber and natural antioxidants. You can enjoy blueberries fresh, frozen, or blended into smoothies. A serving of half a cup daily is enough to receive benefits without overloading calories or sugar. Blueberries are a simple, delicious step toward reducing kidney strain and supporting long-term kidney function. Cauliflower, low-sodium detox food. Cauliflower is one of the best foods for people looking to reduce kidney strain because it's naturally low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, 3 minerals that can be difficult for weakened kidneys to process. When kidneys are strained, the body struggles to filter waste and maintain electrolyte balance. Cauliflower offers essential nutrients without overloading the kidneys, making it a smart replacement for high-potassium vegetables like potatoes. One of cauliflower's biggest benefits is its detoxifying effect. It contains compounds like sulforaphane and glucosinolates that help the liver and kidneys break down toxins more efficiently. These natural detox compounds reduce inflammation and help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage, which is a major contributor to kidney decline over time. Cauliflower is also rich in fiber, which supports digestion and prevents constipation, a common issue among people with kidney problems. When digestion is slow, toxins stay longer in the body, increasing kidney workload. Fiber helps move waste out more efficiently, reducing burden on the kidneys. Another benefit is that cauliflower can be used as a healthy substitute for foods that strain the kidneys, such as pasta, rice, and mashed potatoes. Cauliflower mash, roasted cauliflower, or cauliflower rice are excellent low-sodium options. A half to 1 cup serving per day is enough to provide kidney benefits without adding excess calories or minerals. Olive oil, gentle, anti-inflammatory fat. Olive oil is one of the most kidney-friendly fats you can include in your daily eating routine. Unlike unhealthy saturated or processed oils, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, especially oleic acid, which helps lower inflammation throughout the body, since chronic inflammation is a major cause of kidney strain and damage. Olive oil can help protect and support kidney function over time. One of its biggest benefits is its ability to support healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the top reasons kidneys weaken, because it reduces blood flow and increases pressure inside delicate kidney filters. Olive oil helps improve blood vessel function, reduce stiffness, and support overall cardiovascular health, indirectly protecting the kidneys. Olive oil is also a great choice because it's low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, making it safe for people with chronic kidney disease or those limiting electrolytes. Unlike butter or margarine, it does not contribute to cholesterol buildup or inflammation. Another advantage is its role in blood sugar control. Stable blood sugar levels are crucial for kidney protection, especially for people with diabetes. Olive oil improves insulin sensitivity and slows the absorption of sugar when paired with meals, preventing harmful spikes. The best type to use is extra virgin olive oil (EVO), as it contains the highest amount of beneficial antioxidants. Aim for 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, using it on salads, vegetables, or low-heat cooking. Garlic, natural kidney cleanser. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural foods for supporting kidney health and reducing strain. It contains compounds like allicin, which has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Since inflammation and oxidative stress are major contributors to kidney damage, garlic plays a key role in protecting kidney cells and supporting overall function. One of the biggest benefits of garlic is its ability to support healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure puts a heavy workload on the kidneys and can damage the tiny filters responsible for removing waste from the body. Garlic naturally relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and supports heart health, making it especially beneficial for older adults and people with hypertension. Garlic also provides natural antibacterial and antimicrobial support. Studies show that it may help reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can lead to kidney infections if untreated. This makes garlic especially useful for individuals who experience frequent UTIs. Another advantage is that garlic adds flavor without adding salt, making it an excellent alternative for anyone following a low-sodium diet. Since excess sodium is one of the biggest triggers for kidney strain, seasoning foods with garlic instead of salt is a smart choice for long-term kidney protection. For the best benefits, garlic can be used raw or lightly cooked. Crushing or chopping it and letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes helps activate allicin. Aim for 1 to 2 cloves per day, or use garlic powder if raw garlic is too strong. Red grapes, antioxidant kidney shield. Red grapes are one of the most kidney-supportive fruits, thanks to their high antioxidant content, particularly resveratrol, a compound known for protecting kidney cells from inflammation and damage. Resveratrol helps reduce oxidative stress, one of the leading factors behind kidney decline, and supports the body's natural healing process. One of the standout benefits of red grapes is their ability to support healthy blood circulation. Strong circulation ensures that kidneys receive enough oxygen-rich blood to function properly and filter waste efficiently. This is especially important for older adults or people with high blood pressure, diabetes, or heart disease. Red grapes are naturally low in sodium and phosphorus, making them a safer choice for individuals with reduced kidney function. Unlike bananas, oranges, or dried fruits, which may contain high potassium, red grapes offer kidney benefits without overwhelming the body with minerals that may be difficult to filter. They also have a mild diuretic effect, meaning they help the body gently flush excess fluid and prevent bloating or swelling. Common symptoms when kidneys are under strain. This helps reduce pressure on the kidneys and supports natural detoxification. Another benefit is blood sugar control. Red grapes contain fiber and polyphenol that slow down glucose absorption, making them a healthier fruit option for those managing diabetes. A serving of about 1 cup of fresh red grapes per day is enough to provide benefits. Choosing fresh, seeded, or even frozen grapes is best. Avoid grape juice, which contains added sugar. Adding these kidney-supportive foods to your daily routine may help protect, repair, and ease stress on your kidneys. If you have diabetes or kidney disease, always talk to your doctor before changing your diet. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more kidney-friendly health tips.